Images of the victims there, 13-year-old Devyanshi, 19-year-old Chinmay, 25-year-old Sahana. 11 people have died, 56 people injured, currently receiving treatment at hospitals. They did not anticipate this crowd, which is shocking because the stadium has barely 35,000 seating capacity, but over 3 lakh fans poured in. You had metros that were full, public transport that was full. People were coming from all different corners to try and congregate at Chinnaswamy Stadium because there were claims that there was free entry into Chinnaswamy Stadium and they could witness the grand felicitation of their favorite players. And shockingly, just 1,380 personnel and 13 KSRP platoons were in place. There was no rapid action forces. There was no additional security that was deployed to ensure this was a smooth affair. Despite police advising a Sunday event, RCB, we hear, really pushed hard for an event to happen right the next day. That was Wednesday, yesterday. At 3:14 p.m., RCB, from its official handle, announced that there was a parade, there was free passes being distributed. In fact, they announced a parade previous night itself without any written confirmation or a police clearance. RCB went on to announce sending out messages. So people really saw RCB's handles, got overexcited and landed up at the Chinnaswamy Stadium to catch a glimpse. And they all thought it was free entry. The dual events that resulted in the police force stretched thin. That was Vidhan Sauda, there was a felicitation happening where the government officials, the Chief Minister himself was present there. Those are the visuals. The grand stairs of Vidhan Sauda where they wanted to take all those pictures for the photo ops, of course. But because of that Vidhan Sauda felicitation, we understand that the police was diverted towards that very area. Chinnaswamy Stadium, where the crowds were gathering consistently, there was not adequate security forces. That's what we hear, that the security forces were split into two. And the actual focus that should have been Chinnaswamy Stadium, where people were gathering in hordes, that was overlooked. When the panic triggered, people could not see any emergency exits. That's what led to the stampede and eventual deaths. There was no medical teams that were in place. Far and few, hardly any ambulance was there. We hear just one was witnessed standing right in the middle of the crowds, but very few. There were no medical camps. Ideally, medical camps are usually set up when the match happens. But this was not a match, it was a victory parade. So clearly DNA, the organizers, are at fault here for not setting up adequate medical camps and facilities, not even water bottles that were placed. So with what conviction did the DNA RCB organizers invite people to come in free of cost into the stadium to watch this felicitation ceremony without organizing any help? No